Hey guys, it's Jamie. We have it's what I call Metro Rush Hour.
Metro commuters, your attention please. The next outbound Metro train from Chicago is now arriving in your station.
So we have that
For your
outbound,
safety,
and then
please
that
stand
inbound.
behind the yellow line until the train comes to a complete stop.
Some kid over there has been on the yellow all this time.
Metro commuters, your attention please.
See if I could get a horn show from any of them.
Metro train from Chicago is now arriving in your station. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line until the train comes to a complete stop before boarding.
Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. A meet and a double horn show. Well, that's never happened to me. Okay, there goes this outbound. Oh no, this is the inbound, sorry. The outbound should be moving too though. Yep. Well, that was interesting.